5 mind-blowing AI tools that will change your business in 2023. Welcome to AI Made Easy. I'm Kelly Newman. Let's start with Beautiful.ai. This will level up your presentations. You just type anything you'd like. It will create a custom slide for your presentation. For example, you want the top 5 movies of 2010 with movie posters and box office revenue? That would take you 15, 20 minutes to create by hand. Click the button. Beautiful AI puts it together in seconds. Beautiful. You can export that, insert it into your PowerPoint. Or let's do another one. Create a table for the last 10 years of Super Bowl, including year, winner, loser, quarterback, score. That's phenomenal. You type that in, creates it all for you. That is amazing. Level up your PowerPoints using Beautiful.ai. Let's see how much it costs. Pricing is a mere $12 a month for individuals. Amazing product, Beautiful.ai. Let's move to number 2, Pictory. Video creation made easy. Well, let's take a look here. Automatically, you will create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content. Have you ever had a webinar you wanted to chop up into smaller sections to promote on social media? Perhaps you want to create an e-course out of a webinar or longer video. Pictory does all the work for you. Pricing for Pictory with the free trial starts at $19 a month. Eliminate all that time-consuming video editing by having Pictory do it for you. Lovo.ai is mind-blowing. Here's where you can use realistic AI voices as voiceovers in any application you would like. With over 400 voices, different styles that sound human. Let's take a look here. Perhaps you want a Sophia Butler to be your voiceover on an e-course. You would just type in the script and Sophia will generate the audio track for your e-course. Let's try it out and see how it sounds.
Welcome everyone to our amazing interactive e-course on improving employee engagement in the workplace. In this course, you will be able to identify the core reasons for employees.
A beautiful professional voiceover. Pricing on Lovo.ai. Guess what? You get a 14 free day trial, $19 a month after that. Synthesia, I don't know how to say it, but this is incredible. Creates a full video of a human talking based on whatever script you input, based on whatever images you'd like to see in there, based on whatever avatar you would like to see. It will do all the work for you and it looks amazing. Let's take a look at this fully AI person.
This is how I sound in English. What do you think?
That is incredible. It looks and it feels exactly like a human is saying that. However, it's 100% AI. Creating a video from scratch has never been easier. 15 minutes to create an amazing professional video using these AI avatars and all of the tools that come with Synthesia. Pricing on Synthesia, or however you say it, is $22.50 a month. Super cheap. You can create 10 videos a month using 90 different avatars, 120 different languages. Mind-blowing. Our final AI tool in this video is Durable.co. And this is absolutely mind-blowing. When I read this, build a website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence, I thought, not possible. Let's demonstrate. Let's try it right here. So you hit get started, you type business type. Let's go with, say, pool cleaning. Why not? What's the name of your business? I can't think of a name. Let's see some suggestions. Splash and shine. Love it. All right, 30 seconds and go. Wow, that was less than 30 seconds. Let's take a look. Beautiful images, text. You can adjust any sections you want. That is incredible. Of course, it wants you to sign up or sign in to be able to do it. Exit the website builder. How much does this cost? What does a durable website cost? You're anywhere from $12 to $20 a month to have Durable build you and maintain a website. Absolutely mind-blowing AI. We've only scratched the surface. There are so many tools out there that will change your life as we embrace AI. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks.